Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're excited about boosting your gaming experience with Xbox Live Gold, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to redeem your Xbox Live Gold card or activate that gift card for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, this process is super easy and will get you playing online in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Xbox Live Gold card handy with the 25-character code on it. You'll also need access to your Xbox console or a device where you can log into your Microsoft account. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console and sign in to your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in, you'll need to do that first. It's as simple as entering your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Store tab on your dashboard. Here, look for the Redeem option, which is usually found in the menu or search bar. Step 2. Select Redeem a code, and carefully enter the 25-character code from your card. Double-check for any typos because accuracy is key. After you input the code, hit Confirm or Redeem Now. Your Xbox will verify the code, and if everything's good, you'll see a confirmation screen. If you prefer doing this on your computer or mobile device, head over to the Microsoft website. Log into your account at xbox.com/redeem. Enter the code, and follow the on-screen instructions. It works the same way. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, like an invalid code, make sure the card hasn't expired and that you're using it on the correct region account. Xbox Live Gold gives you perks like online multiplayer, free games, and exclusive discounts, so redeeming it is totally worth it. There you have it. You're all set to enjoy Xbox Live Gold in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.